Our kitchen experts researched over 20 of the best egg cookers available today before purchasing 5 to test side by side. This update features some of the best options on the market, designed to boil, poach, and cook your eggs without using a pan or stovetop. We spent hours cracking several dozen eggs, testing the performance of each. We examined the quality of the cooked eggs, how easily they peeled, how easy it was to clean up, and various other details. After making many egg salad sandwiches, we offer you our honest recommendations to help you find the perfect machine for your kitchen. There are numerous options for cheap electric egg cookers, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable electric egg cookers from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Elite Gourmet EGC007B. Compared to a couple of the other egg cookers we tested, the Elite Gourmet looks unimpressive, but don't judge an egg cooker by its looks. The Elite Gourmet's simplicity and consistency are why we chose it as our top pick. Its egg rack holds 7 eggs, and it comes with a poaching tray and an omelet tray, just like the other egg cookers. But a standout feature that we loved is that the egg rack and poaching tray have vertical handles, which makes lifting them out of the egg cooker much easier than side handles and also reduces the risk of burning your fingers on the hot plate. The Elite Gourmet's measuring cup is also well designed to be user-friendly. We didn't have to decipher any confusing codes. The cup has only 3 markings for water level, each with icons of an egg cooked hard, medium, and soft, no matter how many eggs you're cooking. We also found the egg cooker's instruction booklet comprehensive and easy to understand. It's loaded with recipes, including one for hollandaise sauce, and it was the only manual that instructed piercing the eggshell on the top, which prevented egg white from spilling out. Number 2. Bella Double Tier Egg Cooker. You can cook 12 eggs at once in the Bella Double Tier Egg Cooker. It comes with 2 egg racks, each holding 6 eggs. You load one egg rack with 6 eggs, insert a 2.53 collar that locks into place, then lay the second rack on top of the eggs and load it with 6 more eggs. This double tier feature also allows for duo cooking of hard-boiled eggs and poached eggs. 4 poached eggs at once, 2 poaching trays are included, or 2 poached eggs and an omelet. We were intrigued by this concept and tried it out with hard-boiled eggs and poached eggs. Sadly, it didn't work because the poached eggs were done several minutes before the hard-boiled eggs. However, when cooked separately rather than together, both came out great. As for the omelet, it puffed up like a soufflé, but with a flat center, and it had a spongy texture. The Bella measuring cup is pretty clear with markings for the water levels for the number of eggs and doneness, but the instruction booklet is unnecessarily confusing, with measurements in milliliters and fluid ounces, neither of which is marked on the cup. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Electric Egg Cooker. The Hamilton Beach Egg Cooker will certainly give you excellent hard-boiled eggs, as long as you're willing to do some trial and error. There's nothing inherently wrong with it, but you'll need to employ your best Sherlock Holmes skills to figure out the measuring cup, which is the bane of many an Amazon reviewer. On one side of the cup, the water level markings are pretty clear, the number of eggs and doneness, although it's counterintuitive as to why the water level for 7 hard-boiled eggs is the same as 1 medium-boiled egg. On the opposite side of the cup, printed in an absurdly tiny font, are markings for hard-boiled, soft, medium, and hard-poached, and 1 or 2 egg omelet. All well and good, except that the water levels are for 8, 10, 12, and 14 hard-boiled eggs, but the cooker only has a 7-egg capacity. Further confusion abounds in why the water level for 14 eggs is the same for a 1-egg omelet. Hard-boiled eggs cooked well in 15 minutes, and although the Hamilton Beach doesn't have an auto turn-off, its loud alarm indicated the eggs were done. Number 4. Dash Egg Bite Maker. The Dash Egg Bite Maker's sole purpose is to make omelets and mini egg bites, neither of which it does well. Whereas we like the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker's omelet, the Egg Bite Maker's omelet was disappointing. Calling this product sous vide style is simply just wrong and definitely false advertising. It works exactly the same as the other egg cookers, using steam to cook eggs. Despite its popularity, the Egg Bite Maker is not in the same league as the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. It has no power button. You turn it on and off by plugging and unplugging it. It has no indicator light for when the eggs are done. The instruction booklet guesstimates between 10 to 12 minutes for an omelet, but we needed to check every 5 minutes to make sure it wasn't overcooked. The egg bite maker doesn't come with a measuring cup, so as the booklet instructs, you measure water with one of the mini cups. 4 are included. Since this measurement is so inaccurate, the water never completely evaporated, and we had to drain it out for every test. Number 5. Cuisinart Sec 10. The Cuisinart Sec 10 egg cooker is the most expensive of the units we tested, and although it was certainly the most attractive egg cooker, it also wasn't the best. The Cuisinart's heating plate is no different from the others we tested, except for one important factor. It gets too hot and overcooks the eggs. Hard-boiled eggs had pale, maley yolks and rubbery whites. Poached eggs were hard, or the whites had boiled over the sides of the poached egg tray and burned on the heating plate. The Cuisinart's egg poaching tray is divided into 4 pie-shaped slices, and perhaps this odd shape is why the poached eggs boiled over. Our first attempt with an omelette gave us a huge Julia Child puffy confection, but by adding less water, we got a normal-size omelette. For an egg cooker this expensive, you shouldn't have to experiment to just get better than average results. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.